Kanglon kaina Myanmar-dagi Manipur-da jangsilakhiba kaya amana Aadhaar card paiduna electoral roll-da yausilaga Scheduled Tribe-ki khudongchaba khudingmak lawduna leirabasu masana refugee ni haizabasingdi Kanglon chumna India-da mahai tamnaba honabada awaba oire NDTV na piba report amagi matungina Moang Henry Hato Onglin Kauba Myanmar refugee amana Delhi University da ming chanduna mahai tamnaba honabada passport yaudravadi yade harakpadagi Delhi High Court da case thingnare mahak masana refugee ni haina masak takchaba khaktane Scheduled Tribe ki khudongchaba sing pibi naba haibasu leite duga electoral roll da yauksan basu leite mahak refugee ama oina Delhi University da ming chanba phanganbiyo haizabane adubu university asena passport puraknaba khangalakpadagi case adu thingnabani haide refugee ama oina passport puthokpa haibasi oiraroidaba amane maramaduna passport adu yaudana ming chalaga mahi tamba phanganbiyo haina mahakna court ta appeal chatle Manipur da Myanmar da ki changsilakliba illegal immigrant singna irai laina logi wangbada India ke document sing lokthokuna laibak asigi citizen sing da piba khudongchaba khudingmak lawrabasu Moang Henry kumba mabukchel singna amade Kanglon chumna chachaba singi oinadi awaba mayuknare Moang Henry kumja lisingani kunithoida Myanmar da ki lanjelaklaga India da changjafam lawduna leirakhibane mahak Mizoram da leiraga science stream da class 10 loisilaba matungda Meghalaya dagi class 12 loisilakhe madugi matungda Delhi University da ming chanaba honabada foreign applicant ama oina soifadana passport yaudaba yade hairakpadagi khudongchadaba kaya ado mayuknaba hawrakhibane mahaki lawyer na hai refugee applicant amada atai foreign applicant singa chap manana treat tawba haibasi constitution ke article 14 amadi 21 khonggoinabani haire case adugi hearing chathabada court na hai refugee abana matau karamna masage passport puthokadoribano passport haibasi state na issue tawbani adubo refugee haibasi di state aduna protection pirak tabadagi lanjilakpane masagi saktakche oina passport khaktamang puthokna ba khanghan ba haibasi mahakna oiriba phiba madu lana ubane masi hai haiduna university na verification chathaba natraga admission ke process ke kanglon singa senbada atingba thambadi nate verification chathabagi right university singda leijai minungsi khakta ta yenglaga admission piba yaba nate admission tawnabagi damak document record amadi scrutiny na chingba mathau tai Delhi University da admission tawba haibasi Indian citizen ki oina fawba araiba thabak ama nate refugee ama oibagi ahenba khudongchaba pigidabasu leite masi fana oiduna so passport leite haiba khaktage admission tawhandabadi aranba oigani haike India asi UN Refugee Convention 1951 natraga 1967 protocol gi signatory member ama oidabana amade laibagасida akhanaba national refugee gi law leitabana refugee singna tungan ba khudongchadaba kaya mayuknare mayek sengba framework ama leitaba sina maram oiraga Myanmar dagi lanjalakpa singi matang da su chamamnaba kaya ama thokhalibane